Welcome to Cactus Plumbing and Air. Today, we're discussing a common household problem, common signs of a clogged sewer line. Let's explore the signs that indicate you might have a serious plumbing issue. A slow-moving drain can be the first sign of a serious problem. It's like a traffic jam in your plumbing system. Hear that gurgling noise? It's a sign that your pipes are struggling to keep up. It's time to call in the experts. A foul smell coming from your drains? That's a red flag. It could mean a major clog is brewing. If multiple drains are acting up, it's likely a larger issue. Your main sewer line might be the culprit. A backed up toilet is a plumbing nightmare. It's a clear sign of a serious clog. Don't panic. Call a professional plumber. They have the tools and expertise to clear the clog and restore normal flow. To prevent future clogs, avoid flushing anything but toilet paper. Don't pour grease or oil down the drain. And use a drain cover to catch air and debris. Regular sewer line inspections can help identify potential problems before they become major issues. Thanks for watching. If you're dealing with a clogged sewer line in Arizona, don't hesitate to call Cactus Plumbing and Air. Remember, prevention is key. By following these simple tips, you can keep your plumbing system running smoothly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful plumbing advice. Visit our website at www.cactusplumbingandair.com. See you next time.